Well guys, it's been a little over a year since I installed the S&B cold air intake on my 4Runner, and it's time to give you guys an update video and also to let you guys know that I'm going to be removing it, putting a new cold air intake in here, and it's not because this thing is bad. It is the complete opposite of that. So like I said, I've had it in for over a year, a little over a year guys. Have not cleaned any of this in over a year. Part laziness, part doing that on purpose just to see how well this filter actually works. So we're gonna take this off real quick, look inside to see how dirty the box is, take the filter itself off, see how dirty it is inside the intake tube. Oh wow. It's actually decently clean in here. So you could tell from the outside right here to the inside, that little seal under this fender wall right there actually kept it pretty clean in here. There is some dust and stuff, but it's not horrible at all. There we go, so I got some light in here now. So as you can see, there's definitely some sand and stuff down at the bottom. However, look in this intake tube, there is nothing. Clean as when we got it, man. That is so sweet. That is very, very cool. I also want to show you guys the inside too of this filter, how clean it is. So you can see on the outside we got a little bit of dust, some dust out in here. Again, this is a non-oil one. This is a dry filter. So you can see though, absolutely nothing inside of this filter. That is, this thing, this thing filters out the sand very, very well. And you can see how dusty my engine bay is. So after a year, obviously it has worked as advertised. So that's Florida terrain, you know, red dirt on fire roads, sand, all that stuff. Filtered it obviously very, very well. So now for the reason why I'm taking it out of the 4Runner. If you go on S&B's website, this filter is still unavailable. They've been, I think, redoing it for stuff. They've asked for other 4Runners if they're in the California area to like go over there. So I think they're revamping it right now for the consumer. So for me, testing products for you guys, I want to have something that everyone can get. So this thing has been incredible. The throttle response gains, everything like that, the sounds that it makes, the filter itself working flawlessly, but I have to get something else for you guys. So I will be getting the TRD, going all OEM with this thing. I'm gonna get the TRD cold air intake. This one is going to Mark trailer sale, so if you guys wanna see more updates and stuff with the S&B cold air intake, his YouTube will be down in the description for you guys. So that is where this one is getting shipped off to, so he can further test it for you guys as well in Texas conditions, because he's in Texas. So I also wanted to make this, even though it's not available, whenever S&B makes version 2 of it, this will obviously be version 1, so number 2 is usually a lot better, so you guys could have this in reference if you are in the market at the time whenever they come out with the next version. So guys, if you're new around here, please consider subscribing. Returning subscribers, as always, appreciate your guys' freaking support. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright, see you later.